What does a product marketing manager do? Hi there, my name's Josh Vector. I'm one of the founders of Product Manager HQ. I'm also the founder and head of product for a software company called Squibbler. In today's video, I'd like to talk about product marketing managers, who they are, their role in product development, as well as the kinds of responsibilities they are entrusted with. But before we begin, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to our channel so that way you can become part of our product management community and you'll get updates on everything product management. Now let's go ahead and jump in. Let's start by breaking down the intricacies of product marketing as a subset of the product management field. Product marketing sits at the heart of any and every company that wants a successful product. As a discipline, it describes the strategies, tactics, and action plans put in motion to bring products to their respective markets and contribute to their success. Product marketing is a driving force behind a product's ability to remain relevant to its target audience throughout the different stages of its life cycle. Because of its nature, product marketing values the thoughts, feelings, and attitudes of product users, along with the specific business and overarching goals of the product shareholders, to craft a marketing strategy that helps to propel sales, build product awareness, and lay the foundation for business success. And the reason that you're probably here is product marketing is an important factor in creating product success. This is where product marketing managers are really able to thrive. And as the name suggests, a product marketing manager is someone who oversees all of the marketing programs of new or existing products. In doing so, they're responsible for developing a complete understanding of the product that they have the task of looking after. That includes understanding everything from features to customers. They also need to know the product market itself so they can develop strategies for maximum growth. And on one hand, this entails sharpening and fine-tuning the framework used to gather information on your customers. And on the other hand, this involves processing and analyzing data obtained from market research, be it qualitative, quantitative, primary, or secondary. This will encompass data from user product feedback, user insights, and product testing activities, among others. On occasion, product marketing managers may have data analysts on their team. In such cases, while it is true that more than likely the analyst will be the one responsible for data mining, the product marketing manager will still have to place their stamp of approval on the completed work, meaning that they'll still have to work cross-team and validate the findings presented by the team's analyst. Product marketing managers will also be expected to interpret statistical models with complex algorithms in order to make more informed decisions throughout the various stages of the product development cycle. No doubt, this means that product marketing managers need to have solid business knowledge. After all, since product marketing managers have to devise marketing strategies for the product and analyze batches of data that impact product management, they need to know what works and what doesn't. Think of it this way. A few years ago, Facebook may have been the best social media platform for marketing. While it's still important today, Instagram and TikTok have also emerged as impactful marketing platforms. Therefore, a product marketing manager must know how the dynamics of how marketing works in today's time and constantly adapt the strategies and tactics they develop to suit the specific demands and needs of the product that they're working on. Apart from managing product teams, marketing managers also work with the marketing and sales team managing their tasks and responsibilities. Because of the nature of their responsibilities, product marketing managers occupy a unique role not only within the various organizations where they work, but also in the product development process. To start off with, product marketing managers are the central figure for all marketing related initiatives and activities for the product. They are the go-to person within the organization for stakeholders and shareholders alike for details, information, suggestions, or concerns related to the marketing of the product. Consequently here, they play a significant role in product advertisements such as press releases. They also take charge of product launches, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaigns, brand marketing, and other product-related aspects, and are usually the ones who have the final say in all of these areas. They are the relationship builders sitting at the intersection of product, sales, and marketing, forging ties with account executives, data scientists, product designers, data engineers, engineering managers, senior software engineers, and even technical writers to ensure that their marketing strategy has the necessary support to be a success. Now, before we continue, let's take a look at the framework that can be used to develop and implement marketing strategies. Doing so will give us a greater context into the methodologies used by product marketing managers to approach their tasks, which will make it easier to contextualize the activities they carry out. To successfully create and act upon a product marketing strategy, you first need to establish clear goals and objectives. This will help you put things into perspective and give you a clear path on how to take your product to market. By setting smart and clear objectives, you can make the planning process efficient and effective. After you have defined your goals, the next step is to identify who your target audience is. This is another critical aspect in developing the marketing strategy of any product. Any team taking a product to market should have a clear target audience in mind. The next step is to gather data and analyze the market factors that can provide insights into current trends and direction of the market. And once that is done, a product marketing manager can develop a go-to-market strategy. What this means, a go-to-market strategy is an elaborate plan to get a new product out there in the world. It's different from a traditional marketing strategy in the sense that it's more focused on the short run rather than the long run. A marketing strategy is focused on communicating the value proposition over a defined period of time. Whereas the focus of a GTM plan is primarily for new product launches. Once a marketing strategy is launched, continuous analysis of the campaign is done to gauge areas where the strategy can be improved upon to ensure that the product has the best support possible once it's on the market. As we continue to explore the role and responsibilities of a product marketing manager, we must take a look at the differences between product managers and product marketing managers. This is often a point of contention even among product team members, despite the fact that there are clear distinctions between the two. A product marketing manager is a marketing role that falls under the broad umbrella of product management and entails handling all the marketing related activities that help distill the message and communication of the product value to the end customers. Product managers, on the other hand, oversee the complete product roadmap from setting the vision to bringing it to market. You can think of a product manager as a jack of all trades, whereas a product marketer has a more focused role. If you're interested in diving more in depth, then you can check out all the resources we have at Product Manager HQ, including our courses to help you better understand product management. As far as accountability and reporting structures are concerned, it all depends on the unique organizational structure of your company. Traditionally, product managers and product marketing managers work together on the same level in the hierarchy, with the latter reporting to the former and other key stakeholders. Now that we've seen what the product marketing manager role is, let's take a look at the main skills that they need to dominate in order to get there. It's clear that product marketing managers need to be experts in marketing and sales. This is yet another multifaceted discipline that embodies key subsets, including lead nurturing, campaign execution, tracking, reporting, sales forecasting, and content creation, which often also includes understanding things like SEO. From the standpoint of a product marketing manager, all of these work together to help you understand what strategies are best suited for the type of product you have on the market. It also assists you in laying out a path that'll get your product into the hands of consumers without spending an exorbitant amount on advertising or other external initiatives. Product marketing managers should also be knowledgeable about business practices in general. As you know, the business environment is in constant evolution, particularly in tech. Trends, competitors, emerging technologies, and new products all affect the strategies taken across multiple business teams and departments in order to stay afloat. Products are also conditioned by the environment in which they operate, both on a general business level as well as on a product-based level, where there are specific elements that affect product development and design. Therefore, as product marketing managers look toward the future and beyond, at no point in time should you ever feel that you've completely mastered business strategy or even marketing strategy. It's always changing. Instead, you should feel a constant desire to sharpen your business skills, keep up with trends, and iterate your product marketing strategy in accordance with the ebbs and flows that may affect your overall business strategy. This includes keeping an eye on new or important advances in business or product marketing frameworks, and also looking at competitors and doing lots of analysis on the market as a whole. And a product marketing manager cannot be successful in their role if they do not practice proper communication. That's just the cold hard facts of it. Managers are always expected to communicate well, whether it's with your fellow management team or line staff. It's expected that you maintain some reasonable flow of communication between them to ensure that things around the organization get done. In the case of product marketing managers, the need for proper communication is even more important than it is in standard managerial positions. You constantly communicate with multiple teams and individuals, sometimes all at once, from marketing and sales teams right down to product design and development teams, not to mention other stakeholders like end users and even senior management, as well as technical writers. Therefore, it's only natural that you work on your communication abilities. And there you have it. We just went through a complete roundup of what product marketing managers do in their role and their responsibilities, and even the skills they need in order to succeed in this position. And before we go, I'd like to ask you a quick question. Can you think of any important skills that product marketing managers need to have under their belt that we didn't mention? Make sure to leave your answer in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to our channel so you can keep up to date with everything product management. And with that said, I'll see you in some of our following videos, and I wish you the best in your product career path. Cheers.